So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Double click on it. And then once you're here, make the startup type manual and then click on stop. We should then make the service status stopped and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you're going to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it and then click on Windows. Now you're going to scroll down till you find software distribution. So you're going to scroll down till you find software distribution. Double click on it. You want to delete everything in this folder. So I'm just going to highlight all of this and then click on delete. Click on do this for current items and then continue. Delete everything in this folder. And then once you do that, now you want to head back into services and you want to find Windows Update. You want to double click on it. Click on start. And then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.